Right, it's Liberation Day today, which means we get a day off. So I can do a bit of submarine work rather than going to all the merriment that's going on in town. Didn't want to do that anyway. Right, this other side should be easier, I think, because it's not as tight. So, first thing, what's the motor? So just get the rough pipe shape. That's going to come up under here. Right, I've put the first little bend in. I'm just going to go like that. Right, and then I'm going to chop it off there. But at least that just gives me a start. So we'll make this fit in. Probably a bit excessively long. Right, I've done that joint there, which was a little bit awkward, but it goes under there and comes out there. But what we'll do is I'm going to, it's going to go, it needs to bend and go to that valve, and then there's that stupid dog leg that has to go in for the check to the hull stop valve. But I think I'm going to do that dog leg thing first because that is more awkward. There's quite a bit of leeway on this. So let me just do this valve first. Right, last one, very last one. That's one and a quarter. There we go. Now, does it clear the seat? My God, it does. Look at that. Just right. I would like to test this now by pressurizing it. The only trouble is that that one there, I think that valve is on the wrong way round, and this one, well, according to the direction of the arrow. So I'm just going to, have to check. So I'm going to ring Swage Lock and see what they say. Right, what am I doing? Yeah, I've forgotten to ring Swage Lock about seeing if this valve's round the wrong way. But I'm just going to test it anyway because I really don't think it's going to make any difference. So, got the main connections. Go back on. It's squished for some reason today. Oh. Let's go in here. This one. Make sure that's all closed. This. That's one high pressure. I did it like this with a double manifold so that if I ever wanted to, I could connect two tanks together at the same time, but I've never actually done that. not sure it was really worth it. Right. I think the video went out as I was just going around testing all the existing setup. It's weird, I can hear a noise, but I think it's actually coming from outside, somebody cutting the garden or something miles away. Anyway, so I'm going to open this one and we'll try this. It works a treat, and same here, this other side. Again, that's all good. Right, I'm just going to see if I can figure out what's wrong with this motor. So the relay is firing, so we want to see what we've got here. So I'm going to put that to there. So I've got power to that, as I would have expected, and at this point I've got nothing, as I would have expected. I could do with a clamp of some sort, so I can't hold both of these on at the same time. Can I? Might be able to do it with like this. Okay, so this should show 25 volts, which it does. So the fault, I got some sort of problem here. I didn't feel like it was in very well. Let's check this out. Okay. And there. Right, 0 voltage. Nothing. Nothing at all there. No. Right, so I've got a problem. Let me just check which wire is which. I'm going to switch this to continuity and that one. I think this is this one. No, it isn't. Is it this one? There's a continuity break here. Something's not right. I've got some sort of continuity problem. I've not got power where I was expecting it down through these mains. And at this point I used this special silicon wire because it's really flexible for these end bits, and I think somewhere in here it transfers into the normal pre-tinned wire, so I'm just going to have to take this off and have a look. Right, I found the problem. It's not much of a problem. You can see that the normal tinned cable goes down into this pipework, and it's got one of these bullet connector things on it, and that's obviously just come off, so I've just got to stick that back on. The reason I did it with these is that if something does come off, like it just has done, then it doesn't short out because they're all insulated. Right, all these little hooks, what I'm going to do, it's an eyelet thing, that's going to go there right in line with the tower. So that's just going to be drill a hole, put some paint. I've actually got to wait for some more paint to dry, and then I need to get some way of deploying this thing. So what I thought was that if it's folded up like this, it may sound really obvious, but so it's like in a concertina effect, and then the rope was tangled there. That will fit into a convenient little box of some sort with a lid that comes off. The whole thing could tackle is going to tuck in there like that, and I'm going to use a silicone hose that's just going to come right into the top of here. I just got to buy some sort of suitable plastic box, thinking something kind of like that, but obviously smoother and with a lid that just clicks on, and then I can just bolt that there, and then it can sit there. So that's the next stage. Right, so the boat is actually completely ready now. I fixed everything. I fixed that port side motor that wasn't working. I fixed the lights that weren't working. Everything's ready. I mean, obviously I've just got to top the motors up, fit the oxygen, fit the air and stuff, but as far as modifications are concerned, we can dive. I need to put some paint on, obviously, and I need to finish those lift bag systems, but they're not necessary for diving. So I am pretty much ready. What I'm actually going to do now is go and get the support boat ready, because that needs to go in the water pretty soon. So I've got to go and get that. Needs a few jobs doing on that. Actually looking a little bit of a sorry mess, to be honest. Needs a little bit of cleaning and sorting out. I haven't run the engines for a while either, so I need to do that. But get these flags off first as well.